Over on the right side, you have your windshield wiper stalk, and you can see all the different settings for your windshield wipers that you have there. It has automatic rain sensing wipers, so the wipers will cut on automatically according to the rain pattern, and as long as that feature is on. So the way that works is you have mist, so you can press it up and it will mist wipe, so it's just like a single wipe in case it's just only misting, but the default is off. Then you can pull it down once and the windshield wipers wipe automatically once to let you know that the automatic rain sensing wipers are now engaged. And then you have low and high, and that's if you want to cut them on manually. And then this controls, you see you've got this little switch right here, and that controls the automatic sensitivity. Then you can take this stalk and pull it towards you and it'll wash the front glass off. You can push it away from you and it'll wash the rear glass off. That's pretty nice. And then the end of this stalk, you can roll it up and it will cut on the rear wiper, intermittent or manually on. And then over on the far left is going to be your turn signal stalk. And this is not just turn signals, but this is also headlights and automatic high beams. So you can see you have automatic. So the way the setting is right now, it's the headlights are going to cut on automatically at night whenever the sun starts to go down. And then you can see it says DRL off. So whenever it's in automatic, the daytime running lights are on. But right now you can manually adjust that and cut the daytime running lights off. And those are LED daytime running lights. That's basically parking lights. And then that's headlights on manually. But then you have a button on the end of the stalk. And you can see that right there. And that actually matches the icon here. And so when you press that icon in, there is a little light that comes on, and you probably can't see it because it's there. You go, you see that? And so that means your automatic high beams are active, and you can see that icon right there. And so what that means is at night, the high beams are going to cut on automatically whenever you're driving, whenever the car senses that there are no other vehicles around. And you wouldn't believe how useful it is to use your high beams in all situations if no other cars are around, even in the city. I know for me, at least, I tend to use my high beams only when I'm like out in the country or on a highway where, you know, it's kind of secluded. But it's actually really helpful to use your high beams in the city if nobody else is around. It just helps you maximize the lighting potential of your vehicle. Great feature, automatic high beams.